Good evening aspirants, welcome to my channel SSP Competitive Adda. Okay, today we are going to discuss about current affairs. 17th March 17th 2021 current affairs. First one, bill raising upper limit to 24 weeks for abortions passed by Parliament. Okay, Parliament on March 16, 2021 passed the medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill 2020, which increases, that bill name is a medical termination of pregnancy. The amendment bill 2020, which increases the upper limit of abortions from 20 to 24 weeks. From 20 to 24 weeks అంటే 20 నుంచి 24కు వెళ్ళిపోయింది. For certain categories of women and removes limits in the case of substantial fetal abnormalities after the Rajya Sabha approved the measure. The Lok Sabha had passed the bill in March 2020. Passed the bill Lok Sabha మార్చ్ 2020లో ఇది బిల్ అనేది పాస్ అయిపోయింది ఎక్కడ, లోక్సభలో. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్, PM Modi and Finland's PM Sanna Marin hold virtual summit. Okay, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Finland's PM Sanna Marin on March 16, 2021 announced a digital partnership. In information and communications technology, future mobile technologies and digital education at a virtual summit. Mobile technologies and digital education at a virtual summit. The two members participated in a virtual summit mainly focus on a digital partnership, mobile technologies and digital education. Third one, Indian Army decommissioned self-propelled catapult guns, Tempella mortars, two of the longest serving artillery systems, the 130 millimeter self-propelled M46 catapult guns and the 160 millimeter Tempella mortars M46 and Tempella mortars were decommissioned on March 16, 2021. March 16, 2021 at Mahajan Field firing ranges in Rajasthan. Mahajan Field rising in at Rajasthan. The 130 millimeter catapult with a range of more than 25 kilometer were inducted in 1981. The 160 millimeter Tempella mortars with a range of 9.6 kilometer, 130 millimeter catapult is the range is more than 25, okay, more than 27 kilometer range. Okay, fourth one, 22 of world's 30 most polluted cities are in India. World's Air Quality Report 2020. Okay, World Air Quality 2020 ప్రకారం 22 of the world's 30 most polluted cities are in India, with Delhi being ranked as the most polluted capital city globally. Globally, a new report said March 16, 2020, okay, said Delhi is the most polluted capital globally. The report is prepared by Swiss organization. In this report is prepared by Swiss organization. Swiss organization IQ Air, Swiss organization IQ Air, in the form of the World Air Quality Report 2020, which has released globally. The global cities ranking report is based on PM 2.5 data from 106 countries. PM 2.5 data from 106 countries. The most polluted capital globally, that capital is Indian capital New Delhi. Next, M.A. Ganapathy is appointed Director General of National Security Guard. Okay, senior IPS officer M.A. Ganapathy was on March 16, 2021 appointed Director General of National Security Guard. Ganapathy, a 1986 batch Indian Police Service IPS officer of the Uttarakhand cadre. Okay, present Director General of National Security Guard M.A. Ganapathy. Sixth one, Kuldeep Singh appointed as a new Director General of CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. The Kuldeep Singh Reserve Force, Singh, a 1986 batch IPS officer of the West Bengal cadre. Okay. Seventh one, IRENA releases World Energy Transition's Outlook Report. According to the World Energy Transition Outlook Report, which is published by the International Renewable Energy Agency, the COVID-19 crisis offers an expected opportunity for countries across the globe to decouple their economies from fossil fuels and accelerate the shift to renewable energy sources. Previewed at the virtual Berlin Energy Transition Dialogue, 2021, which began on March 16, 2021, the report proposes energy transition solutions for the narrow pathway available to contain the rise of temperature to 1.5 degrees Celsius and halt global warming. Okay, these are the 7 current affairs for the 17th March 17th. So very important for all type of government exams. Okay, I hope you like this video, aspirants. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.